Hello and welcome back to another cleanup. We are back in the riverbed, and as I rewatched the footage of one of my last episodes, I noticed that we forgot some stuff here. So first we are going to retrieve everything that we forgot, and after that we will clean another new patch of river. So let's get started. A fish can. And another piece of trash. And another one, and you might think it's just wood, but it's wood with glue, and yeah, glue is not supposed to be in rivers. Another shoe part. What is this? And another tire. And more tires. And another one. And another one.
It goes in one piece. Sehr gut.
And another bike tube. And the last one. Eins, zwei, drei. And even more trash inside.
Du hast noch einen zweiten Sack in der Tasche.
Your new living room decoration.
that is a lot of plastic. Yes.
Envy.
1898. A pipe.
Das muss ich glaube, den mit der Sonne.
An old bottle. FWBN41. Hi, it's me from the editing desk. Before we go on with the video, I just want to explain a couple of things about this bottle. What we have here is a Feldflasche, or canteen in English, from the German Wehrmacht. It's about 80 years old and was used by German soldiers during World War II, as you can see in these pictures. But since we're able to find a lot of household trash in this river, unfortunately, we can't say for certain if it was lost here by a soldier or if it was thrown into the river with all the other trash here. Nonetheless, I think this is a very cool find and we will definitely be keeping this one. Ich glaube, so viel haben wir noch nie auf einmal gesammelt. And these are our treasures, an old Feldflasche and this old rusty handle.